superstars, welcome back to the channel, y'all. So I have some really I've been wanting to try something that I found on the damn Amazonian, and here it is, the dryer bonnet. So I'm gonna I already washed my hair, y'all. First of all, back up, how y'all doing today? How are you guys? How's everybody feeling? Wellness check Wednesdays, okay? Midweek, hanging in there. Not so much so. Okay. It's hump day, y'all. Midweek, you're almost there. Just saying. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Angie and this is Life with Star. And here on Life with Star, we like to promote a lot of self-healing and self-love. So I am just doing a wellness check Wednesday on you guys to make sure that you guys are staying on top of your ish, okay? Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new future uploads on the channel. Follow me on Instagram, _Life with Star with 2 R's _, okay? And I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I don't know if I'm going to set my hair on fire. I don't know what's going to happen. But all I do know is that I wanted to try it, so try and get we are, okay? So yes, I've already washed my hair, and I did use the main choice Amazon Hair Day shampoo, and I'm using their beautiful beaming hair mask. Okay, so we're wanting to do like a deep conditioning. Y'all, look at my gray. Can y'all see the gray? Anyway, I want to do a deep conditioning. I want to deep condition my hair. Jesus, Angie. So I've used this mask before. I love it, and it smells divine, and it does make my hair feel really, really nice. But I said, well, what if I kind of heat things up a little bit? We want to heat stuff up, right? Pump it up. Y'all remember that hairspray? Pump it up. Pump it up. Y'all, look at my gray though. Can we talk about the gray? I be tripping, y'all. I be thinking I be seeing stuff. So I am adding a nice heaping portion. Ooh! Child. I'm adding a nice heaping portion into the hair. I'm not being shy at all. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to use this thing, y'all. So I'm just going to wing it. Wing it Wednesdays. I hope that you guys are having a great day, a great week, and you're taking the time to do something nice for yourself and then doing something nice for others. Look at this hair, y'all. Look at the hair. Twin.
Hi.
I'm recording a video. Want to say hi?
Hi.
Everybody say hi to Twin.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Alright, y'all. I think I've added enough of the hair mask here. Now, I will say you are supposed to kind of add it when your hair is a little wet already, but that's okay. My shirt's a little wrinkled, y'all, but you know what? Who cares? Like, I don't. I'm at home. This is my loungewear. So we're just going to activate it with a little bit of water. But look at that, y'all. Come on, hair. I mean, listen, I don't know how my hair would do if I were just to leave the mask in, but you guys see, I'm telling you, my hair is long. I be trying to tell y'all, I got some length, child. Girl got some pull. All right. So like I told you, I don't know what I'm doing. All right. But there's like this little headband thing that came with it. Okay, so we're gonna put it on. Now the brand is Eleganty. Should there be an L in this? Y'all, read that. Shouldn't it say Eleganty? I don't know, child. That's the brand, I guess. Okay, so oh my god, this is hilarious. Okay, so you hook it up to your blow dryer, y'all, just like this. And it has like a little, it's actually a pretty tight elastic band that fits around supposedly any round shape hair dryer. And then I'll show y'all, like inside it has all these little holes. Okay. And here goes the tube. Ah! I'm about to break my damn neck, y'all. Fuck. Oh yeah, I look stupid. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. Is this right? I'm just trying to do a deep conditioning on my hair, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so it feels pretty secure. I'm assuming that I have to put the neck strap on here because I guess when I fill it up with air, it could like possibly fly, like I can fly away. I don't know. And if I don't do it, then maybe it will just kind of fly right off my head. All right, so let's try this bad boy. Let's try this bad boy out, y'all. Are you ready? Here we go. Y'all, I can't. Can I sit this down? Oh my god, y'all. It's like, it's choking me. Oh. Getting hot. Woo! Burning my goddamn ears. Oh, that's worse. Okay, just 2.5 seconds, y'all. First of all, it's not comfortable at all. Like, I feel like I'm on a ride. I don't know. But I think the headband is supposed to go over your ears because it was kind of getting hot. So I think that's the purpose of that. But it's definitely pumping that air through there, y'all. And it's not moving around, you know. I had read online that if you leave it going too like long, it could possibly like catch fire. So I just don't want to die today. I'm trying to deep condition my hair. But we're gonna let it go for a little bit longer and I'll come back and let y'all know what I think. We'll take the hair out, you know, and all of that, and just we'll go from there and see what happens. Okay, wait, let me adjust this because I'm choking myself. but then it's gonna like fly away more. Okay, let's try that. Oh shit. How do you take this damn thing off? Y'all, my scalp is tingling though. Let's take this crap off. It's very uncomfortable. Oh, my scalp is tingling, y'all. I mean, my hair is a lot softer. It's equivalent to like if you were gonna deep condition, you know, when you go to the hair salon and they put you underneath the dryer or whatever, and you get your little deep conditioning on that way. Same concept. The strap thing around the neck, whew, that thing is uncomfortable. Like, and I let it go for at least a good 10 to 12 minutes as I stood here about to suffocate. I don't know if it's ideal, like if I were doing a hairstyle with like flexi rods or something. I'm not focused. I don't know if it's ideal if I was doing like a hairstyle with like flexi rods or something, because to have to sit there for that long, like especially for my hair, take forever to dry. I'm better off just sitting under a hooded dryer and watching a movie. But I think that this is kind of a cool alternative to if I wanted to deep condition my hair or something and I didn't want to sit under the hooded dryer. Like if I was doing an express deep condition, I think that this is a good alternative, but it's uncomfortable. And I will say, especially if you have a nice powered blow dryer, around the ears it does get a little bit hot, y'all. So, you know, just be wary of that. But here's my hair, honey. It's I can feel it. It's a lot softer. So I'm gonna leave this mask on. I'm asleep with it. I'll put my t-shirt towel on, and tomorrow will be a new day, and we'll rinse our hair and we'll be done with it, honey. But if you guys were wondering, this was the hair mask. It was the Amazon Hair Day Beautiful Beaming Hair Mask. It smells really, really good. Focus. It smells really, really good. I really like it. I have the whole collection. They sent it to me. But yeah, you know, I mix and mingle, honey. You gotta mix and mingle your products. So anywho, there's a lot of air left in here and I can't. Oh, because it all came inside of. Oh, I'm an idiot. Anyway, superstars, Wellness Check Wednesday is coming to a close. I just wanted to show you guys what nonsense I have. If you guys have seen it on Amazon and you're wondering, like, should I even bother getting it? Let me do, you know, the test for you guys and be the guinea pig for you. And you can use my video as an indication if you should purchase it or not. They're actually not that expensive though. But like I said, maybe not ideal for, like if you have to sit with a style and like let it dry all the way through. But if you're trying to do like a good like curl refresh or quick deep conditioning, you know, little hot oil treatment or something like that, for sure I would use it again. For sure, for sure. Look at that gray, y'all. Like, storm who? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads coming on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are literally people away from 400 subscribers. So let it be one of you that gets us to that threshold. Follow me on Instagram _LifeWithStar 2Rs_ and spread love because it's free, which means it's cheap for you and it costs nothing. Tell somebody that you love them and I love you. Bye, superstars.